look for the Vlogmas looks that I am doing every single day. I wasn't too sure about this look because before I put everything together it was kind of iffy. I don't know, it looked kind of weird. But now that I have everything, you know, like on point, or like not on point, but you know, like all together, I really like this look, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys like it as well. If you guys want to see how I created this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So you guys already know the palette that I am using. I don't know, I just love it so much, and I just feel like you can create any look that you want with this palette. So this is the palette that I'm using again today, the James Charles palette, Time for Morphe. The first color I am taking is this one. You want to start shaping this eye look into a half circle. And for my second color, I will be taking this dark green. For this green, I will be applying this black shadow just to intensify this look a little bit more. You want to cut this crease a little bit higher than usual and kind of like in a form of a half circle as well. Okay, so then back here I am going to start packing it with this green again. And then I'll go back in with the black and apply that over that green. And I'm going in with the Morphe M166 brush. And then for my second color, I will be using this brown. In between the colors that you transition, you want to start just patting. That way it won't take any of the pigmentation and it'll blend out both colors together really well. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to take the third color, and the third color I will be using is going to be the same color that we used to transition, which is this one. So now I am going to draw a liner, and it's not going to be like a wing liner, it's just going to be like on top of the eyelash line. But what I'm using to cut my crease, what I'm using to do the eyeliner is the P. Louise base. I'm going to let the base dry a little bit, just because if I go ahead and just apply the eyeshadow on top like that, whenever it's wet, it's going to be really clumpy and it's just going to look really ugly. So while that's drying, I am going to draw a liner up here. And what I am using to draw that is this, and it's like the one from yesterday. This one's from LA Splash as well. This one doesn't even have a name, but I just know that they are from LA Splash Cosmetics. And right here for my liner, I am going to take this color first, and then this one. And then the lashes I will be applying are these. And these are from Betsy B Lashes as well. And these are in the name I Am Worthy, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and start on my face, and then I'll go back and finish my eyes. So the primer I'm using right now is the Dr. Branded and the Luminizer one. I really like how it leaves my skin. And the foundation that I will be using today is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. And this one's in the shade 05 Warm Beige. So I'm going in with my favorite foundation brush from Morphe. And it's the Y7, and I'm just spraying it with the Morphe setting spray. just so it won't be so dry and it could go smoother on my skin. For my concealer, I do use the Hard Candy Glamoflauge in the shade medium first, and then I'll show you guys the second one here in a minute. So I haven't really been highlighting down my T-zone or on my chin, because I just think it's a waste of product if I'm not going anywhere. But today, I'm not going anywhere today either, but I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and do a full face glam tutorial in case, you know, you guys do want to go out, or you know, you guys are going somewhere and you guys want to do a full face. The second concealer that I do use is the Milani Retouch Erase. The reason I applied the darker shade on the outer is because I want this to be a little bit brighter than this back here, so I can open up my eyes a little bit more. And then I am gonna set my under eyes and then everywhere where I did apply concealer. I don't like to bake because it does dry out my eyes right now, especially in the winter. What I use to set my concealer is the RCA Made powder. I've been using that powder for a very long time now and I love it. To contour my face, I am using the Anastasia foundation stick, and this one's in the shade Cocoa. Whenever you're playing with anything that has to do cream base, make sure to go in with a synthetic brush to blend it out, because if not, it's going to be a big fail and it's just going to look really clumpy and it's going to look ugly. And my favorite brush that I use is the Morphe M436. Looks like this. Okay, and then I will be setting that foundation with the Pure Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Mineral Glow. So you guys know my favorite highlight palette right now is the Pure Cosmetics Sculpture palette, and it's in this shade. And then for my waterline, I will be taking that green shade that we used. And then I'll blend it out with this brown. Okay, and then for my inner corner, I will be using the Bretman Rock Glitter. And this one's in the shade She Lit. Last but not least, I will be applying this lip gloss. And this one's from allegorystory.com, and it's in the shade Plato's Cave. Okay, so this is it for this look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys have any questions on this look or on any type of look, go ahead and comment down below and I will answer you guys as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys do exit this video, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video, because I am going to be uploading a video every single day for the month of December, so I'm so excited. If you guys have any looks that you guys want me to create, go ahead and comment down below as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!